Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I'm willing to discuss with you the way we human beings always change from one ideal to another. Because you see, when we're babies, there are some things which we hold as an ideal, yani what's the ultimate beautiful thing which we hold or which we cherish in our hearts. As we become teenagers, we may get some influence from our teachers, from our peer group, or from TikTok or YouTube somehow. Or when we become older people, we get deep into careers. There are some ideologies which influence us. It may be religion, it may be politics, you may be of this political spectrum, of that political spectrum. You know, it is us we have something which is programmed inside us that is supposed to look for the best ideal. So what happens when someone receives a shock? Because we're constantly searching. The shock of someone who thought that something was beautiful or something was the ultimate ideal is that they realize that this thing was beautiful to me, it is the ultimate ideal, and there is nothing more beautiful than it. Now, when they capture it, they discover something is ugly inside it. And what do? They leave. But now there comes a problem. What's the next ideal they can come to? So it leaves the person being in shock and does not know how to transition from one ideal to the next. Hence, you find people becoming depressed. So, you may find someone thought that maybe he or her career was the most fulfilling ideal, but then they discover that something was ugly with it. So what do? If they do not find any higher purpose or any other higher ideal, they become depressed, they start taking tablets and the like. So, the thing is that in Islam, we have to know that our search for ideal, it is a means of transformation. Transformation to who? To the ultimate ideal, and that's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's not hold over things which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls mata'ul hayat dunya. We use all these things in order to reach the ultimate ideal, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But let us not make it the ultimate love which we have. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.